getting some breaking news from Jammu and Kashmir, where in Jammu and Kishtwar area you have a terror attack that has been reported. This is just preliminary information that we are getting, but seems like an attack on an RSS leader's PSO who has been killed by the terrorists. There were gunfire that was reported in the Jammu region of Kishtwar, where you have this terror attack that is being reported. We are still ascertaining the details. Tejinder will have more, I believe. Tejinder, over to you. Just take us through what has happened in the past few hours. Well, Tejinder will be joining us shortly to give us details of what really happened in Jammu's Kishtwar area, where we are getting reports that there has been a terror attack that has been reported, and RSS leader's PSO who has been killed in Kishtwar. That's a security official there who has been killed by terrorists. This is believed to be a terror attack that has taken place. A very initial information that we are getting right now, but I believe Tejinder is with us now. Tejinder, if you can hear me, just take us through what all developments have taken so far.
Yes, Amitabh, what we have come to know that an RSS leader identified as Chandrakant, he was attacked outside the Kishtwar district hospital, wherein his PSO, his personal security officer, received some serious injuries, and we have been told that he has succumbed to his injuries. But right now, the entire area has been cordoned off by the security forces, and a massive manhunt is already on to identify who are the people who attacked this RSS leader, and in which one of his PSO has been killed. Two other people are said to be in critical condition. Right now, we are in touch with some of the senior police officers, and they are trying to ascertain more details about this terror attack. But yes, the terrorists, they have attacked in Kishtwar, in which one PSO of an RSS leader has been killed. Yes, Amita.
How did it exactly happen, and what time? If you can give us more details, Tejinder, because the target clearly was the RSS leader there.
Yes, Amita, the target was RSS leader. We know that in Kishtwar, we saw how last year in the month of November, two BJP leaders, two Parihar brothers, they were gunned down by terrorists, and now when the election is just 2 days away, one RSS leader identified as Chandrakant, he was attacked by terrorists, but he somehow managed to escape unhurt. But his personal security officer...
All right, so this has been a terror attack that has been confirmed as of now, which has taken place in Jammu's Kishtwar. As Tejinder was telling us, the target clearly was an RSS leader there. We'll take that story forward on the other side of a short break. Viewers, stay tuned to Republic.